How's it going, everybody? I'm Jason and welcome to the Review Suite. Today we are unboxing the Aukey EP T10 True Wireless Earbuds. So when you open up the box, you are presented with the earbuds and the charging case. And when I first saw the case, the first thing I thought about was Icebreakers mints. Yeah, but the earbuds and the case are very attractive. The earbuds are labeled individually left and right. And for that extra added convenience, the wingtips are labeled. To open the case, you have to twist the top in either direction. The magnets on the inside are very strong, so you won't have to worry about losing these earbuds. Now, what's great about the case is that you can charge it via Type-C or wirelessly. Currently, the T10s only come in this dark gray color, but with the matte finish and the shiny highlights, I think they look pretty cool. So let's have a look at what else comes in the box. You get the user manual, a quick start guide, and of course Aukey's branded warranty card. You of course get a USB Type-C cable, wingtips, and ear tips. For the specs, the T10s have Bluetooth 5 technology. It takes about an hour and a half to charge, and you can get up to 7 hours of playtime. And these are sweat resistant at IPX5. The case has a 400 milliamp hour battery and it takes about an hour and a half to charge. With the case fully charged, you can recharge the earbuds up to 3 times. This should definitely be enough juice to get you through your day. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the T10 earbuds, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the full review when that posts later on. I'm Jason, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.